Hello. Today I will share important information about the profit margin formula. If you want to receive useful videos like this, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Now I will explain how to calculate profit margin in Excel. Profit margin is an important financial ratio that shows how profitable a business is by comparing a company's profit to its total revenue. This ratio allows you to understand the financial health of companies. You can follow a certain formula to calculate profit margin in Excel. This formula consists of dividing net profit by total revenue and multiplying the result by 100. So, the formula is here. To calculate this in Excel, you first need to determine the net profit and total revenue cells. Let's say that the net profit value is in cell A2 and the total revenue value is in cell B2. Then, to calculate profit margin, you can enter this formula in cell C2. This formula will give you the profit margin percentage. For example, if there is a net profit of 50,000 in cell A2 and total income of 200,000 in cell B2, the formula result will be calculated as follows. In this case, the company's profit margin rate will be 25%. If you want to do this calculation a lot of data, you can use Excel's autofill feature. This way, you can have the formula work in other cells as well. In conclusion, calculating profit margin in Excel is quite simple. You just need to enter the net profit and total income data correctly. This calculation is useful for quickly learning the profitability of your business.